Hey everybody, in this video we're going to be talking about dust collection and air filtration. I just recently picked this Jet Air Filter System up off of Amazon for right around 350 bucks. You can get some that are a little bit cheaper than this, but I wanted, my shop is a 30 by 40, so I wanted something that is going to move a lot of air in a short amount of time. And I wanted to do what it does well, and reading the reviews on it, this one seemed to be the one that I needed for the size of shop. I wanted something that would get up to 1,000 CFM. Some of the other ones that I looked at, you can get some for around $150, but they max out at 400 CFM. And while they probably would clean the air in this shop, it would take them a lot longer than this one will. My plan for this is to put it in a central location in the shop where I produce a lot of dust and have it clean the air whenever I'm not in here. So kind of the way that I'm going to use it is it's not going to run while I'm in the shop working. Whenever I get ready to close the shop up at the end of the day, I'm going to turn this thing on, set the timer for 2 or 4 hours or however long I want, and just let it run while I'm not in here, so that the next day when I come in, the shop has a nice safe work environment. But this is not a replacement for me for my central shop dust collection or my respirator. Whenever I'm doing sanding or anything that creates fine dust, I am still going to wear my respirator and use my dust collection in the shop. But this is always a good option to have, and I've been wanting one for a while, but you know, $350 shop investment is quite a bit. So anyway, we're gonna get it unboxed and get it hung from the ceiling, and then we'll turn it on and see how it works. Got the remote and some of the hanging brackets. Looks like we're going to have to put some of the eye bolts on it while it's down here on the table. Instruction manual, lots of styrofoam. Alright, so now that we've got the unit unboxed and we've got the filters taken out, we're going to go ahead and start installing the eye bolts. The unit also came with these angle brackets, which will also allow you to hang it from a wall or a ceiling, but we're not going to use those. I'm going to go ahead and put them on, but we're going to use the eye bolts that came with the unit because I want to hang it from the ceiling with some chain. That way I can set the height wherever I want it. So what we're going to do is we're going to remove these screws out of these threaded inserts, and then we'll thread the eye bolts right into those inserts. just have some temporary power run over here for the time being. I'm eventually going to tie into another one of my sealing receptacles and bring it over here and have another sealing receptacle dedicated to this Jet Air Filter System. But for right now, I just have it hooked up with an extension cord. But we're getting ready to turn it on for the first time. It's relatively quiet compared to the rain. So that right there is low speed. That's 556 CFM according to the manual. We're going to move it up to medium. That's 702 CFM. And that's high. High is 1044 CFM. Hopefully you can hear me over it. That's quite a bit louder than low and medium, but it's not actually as loud as I was expecting it to be. But I can actually feel it, and it's moving quite a bit of airflow. This is the setting that I'm probably going to leave it on for my shop. I'm going to go ahead and turn it off just to make sure you can hear me. But I'm probably going to leave it on the high setting, which is 1000 CFM, because it's on the highest setting. This air filter system will do 12 air changes in a 1 hour period in a 20 by 20 by 8 shop. This shop is 30 by 40 with 10-foot ceilings. Actually, there's not a ceiling, so it's going to be quite a bit less than the 12 air changes. But that's why I bought this unit, is because it's one of the few that actually will get up to 1000 CFM. It seems like a lot of the other ones stop at 400, which that's just not going to do my shop a whole lot of good. I could actually probably put several of these in and be okay. But I'm just going to start off with this one for now and see how well it does cleaning the air in my shop. Well, that pretty much does it for the Jet Air Filtration System video. I'm quite impressed with how quiet it is on 1000 CFM. Doing high speed at 1000 CFM, it is, I don't have a decibel meter or anything, so I don't know exactly how loud it is, but it is not that loud at all. I was really surprised by that. So I thought it was going to sound like a jet taking off. Sorry, I had to. But anyway, I think I'm going to be really happy with it, and I think it's going to serve my shop well. If you enjoyed the video, hit the subscribe button and hit the notification icon so you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. Thanks for watching.